Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word dirty pool in depth. First, the definition. Dirty pool means unfair or dishonest tactics used to gain an advantage. Think of it simply as someone cheating in a game. This term usually refers to sneaky or unethical behavior meant to win. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Dirty pool traces back to the early 20th century, referring to unscrupulous boxing tactics. Over time, it's been used by athletes and everyday people alike. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use dirty pool in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He was accused of playing dirty pool during the negotiation to get a better deal. Correct example 2. You're playing dirty pool if you hide the truth from your friends. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to do dirty pool in my cooking, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using dirty pool correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Dirty pool means unfair or dishonest tactics used to gain an advantage. It comes from early 20th century boxing, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with dirty pool down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.